So guys, today I want to show you, I'm going to be grinding up some roast for some chili. So we're going to be grinding it into burger. I've got the KitchenAid mixer, a grinder attachment for my KitchenAid mixer. We've had this for, gosh, going on 5 to 6 years now, and for a while before we got a larger grinder. We used this almost every night. When we would quarter up our deer, we would quarter it up in chunks, thaw it out in 1 pound, 2 pound chunks, grind it up, use it for burger, tacos, what have you. Today I'm just going to show you kind of the parts of that, this grinding attachment, and kind of how it works, and let you see it in action. So here's our roast. We're going to cut that up here in a minute. I'm going to show you the components first. So you've got, this is your just your little grinder body. It comes with the screw, the blade, and then the grinding face. We use this one as the typical. I think there's another one that's a larger. So that goes in. Your grinding blade goes on. And you push it and seat it in place. And that just screws on and you're ready to go. So let's cut up our meat and then we'll get to grinding. So we got our meat grind and we're going to run it, let's see, between 4 and 6. You can usually tell by the sound if you need to crank it up some. It's better to do if your meat's frozen, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. So that's on 6. You just hold pressure on it till the auger takes it away. And usually I'll put some ground back through there to kind of help push anything that hasn't made it to the blade yet. So it's pretty good. That come off a hind roast, off a deer. It's real super lean. It's going to be going into chili. So hope you guys found this helpful. I do recommend this just because we've had it for 5 years, and probably for two or 3 years this is the only grinder we had, and so we used it a lot, and it still holds up and does well. So like, subscribe, share with all your friends.